Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Reza Feris Zabadi from the Master Program is in Accounting Faculty of Economy Jakarta State University. I am supervised by two thesis supervisor. My first supervisor is Professor Dr. Itga Ulupi SE MSc AK, and my second supervisor is Dr. Muhammad Yusuf SAMM. And now I'm honored to present my thesis proposal entitled The Effect of Digitalization, Disclosure, Profitability, and Capital Structure on Firm Value with Good Corporate Governance as a Moderating Variable. Okay, before we start, here the table of content in this presentation. First, introduction. Introduction is research background, research problem, and research objective, and then research contribution. The second, literature review, uh, the theoretical foundation, previous studies, conceptual framework and hypothesis. And the last, research methodologies. Research background. Indonesian capital market has experienced significant growth with the Indonesian Composite Index, or in the IDX Composite, increases by 22.10% years to date, and total market capitalization reaches uh, 15,810 trillion in 2025. Globally, the food and beverage industry is valued at 856.9 billion US dollar, while Indonesia food and beverage franchise sector contributes uh, for 47.77% of the national franchise industry. Digital transformation within the food and beverage industry included the adoption of modern point of sale or POS system, self-ordering technologies, and contactless payment system, all of which increasingly dominate business operation. However, previous studies have reported inconsistent findings regarding the effect of digitalization, disclosure, profitability, and capital structure on firm value, while several studies report significant positive effect. Others find insignificant or even negative relationship. Therefore, the study incorporates good corporate governance as moderating variable, provide a clearer understanding of the test relationship. Okay, research problem and research question. Research problem. The first, previous studies have produced inconsistent findings regarding the effect of digitalization, disclosure, profitability, and capital structure on firm value. Next, the moderating role of good corporate governance remain inconclusive and requires further investigation. Therefore, the studies examines the effect of this variable on firm value with good corporate governance, serving as a moderating variable in food and beverage companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange during the 2020 until 2024 period. Research question: Does digitalization, disclosure, profitability, and capital structure significantly affect firm value? Can good corporate governance, as audit commute, committee moderated the relationship between this variable and firm value? The next, research objective and contribution. Research objective: to examine the effect of digitalization disclosure, profitability, and capital structure on firm value, and to investigate the moderating role of the good corporate governance in this relationship. Research contribution: theoretical contribution to enrich the literature and provide empirical evidence regarding the effects of digitalization, disclosure, profitability, and capital structure on firm value with good corporate governance as a moderating variable. Practical contribution, um, to provide managerial insight for enhancing firm value through digitalization, disclosure, profitability, capital structure, and good corporate governance implementation, and to provide useful information for investor in making investment decisions. And the last, academic contribution to serve as a reference for future studies related to firm value, digitalization, profitability, capital structure, and good corporate governance. The next, theoretical foundation. Signaling theory was put forward by Spain in 1973 and developed by Ross in 1977. Signaling theory explained the firm convey positive signal to the market through transparent information disclosure. In this study, digitalization disclosure serves a signal of innovation and technological adaptability. Profitability reflects strong financial performance, and capital structure signaling the firm financial credibility. And last, the good corporate governance enhance the credibility of this signal. There be increasing firm value from investor perspective. Uh, Next, the agency theory. Agency theory was proposed by Jensen and McLean, uh, 1976. Agency theory explains the relationship between a shareholder or principals and manager or against. Difference in interest may create agency conflicts and information asymmetry. Good corporate governance, represented by the audit committee, function as a moderating mechanism to reduce this conflict, thereby improving investor confidence and firm value. The next, previous studies, digitalization disclosure. Previous findings regard the impact of digitalization disclosure on firm value remain inconsistent. Several studies have found a significant positive effect, suggesting that digitalization improves uh, operational efficiency, information transparency, and investor confidence. According to Leonardo et al., Wulandari et al., Handayani et al., and Karjono and Wibowo. Conversely, other studies reporting insignificant effect. Uh, According to Santoso and Salma, Haque and Ardani, Musakim et al., while Handayani et al. Found a significant negative effect. This inconsistent finding indicate an exciting research gap. The next variable, profitability. Peer studies also provide mixed evidence regarding the relationship between profitability and firm value. Several studies report a significant positive relationship because profitability reflects firm ability to generate earning and hence investor confidence. According Mahiran et al., Jihadi et al., Sumani and Suryaningsi, Rahmawati and Tahjono. In contrast, uh, in contrast, other studies find insignificant relationship. According Clarinda et al., Ardini et al., Nupus et al. While Mustaqim et al. Report a significant negative relationship. This inconsistent finding just justify justify further investigation. Okay, the next variable, capital structure. Previous studies have also reported inconsistent findings regarding the effect of capital structure on firm value. Several studies found a significant positive relationship. Recording has Haq and Ardani, Mahirun et al., Handayani et al., and Rahmawati and Tajana, Nupus et al. Meanwhile, Farinda et al., Ahmadi, Irwandi et al., and Suryadi et al. Reported insignificant effect. Additionally, Sumani and Suryaningsi found a significant negative effect. These findings reveal a clear research gap and and moderated uh, moderated and the moderated variable good corporate governance. The moderating role of good corporate governance has also produced inconsistent finding. Some studies indicate the the good corporate governance strengthens the relationship between independent variable and firm value. Recording Sumani and Sunaningsi, Nupus et al., and Rahmawati and Tahjono. However, other studies conclude that good corporate governance does not significantly moderate this relationship. Recording Ardini et al., Suredi et al. Therefore, the effect, effectiveness of a good corporate governance, particularly the audit committee as a governance mechanism, requires further investigation within the food and beverage subsector. Okay, the next conceptual framework and hypothesis. Picture 2.1 thinking framework. Uh, hypothesis uh, Hypothesis 1, digitalization disclosure positively affect firm value. Hypothesis 2, profitability positively affect firm value. Hypothesis 3, capital structure positively affect firm value. Hypothesis 4, good corporate governance moderated the relationship between digitalization, disclosure, and firm value. Hypothesis 5, good corporate governance moderated the relationship between profitability and firm value. And the last hypothesis Six, good corporate governance moderates the relationship between capital structure and firm value. Okay, research methodology, unit of analysis and population. The unit of analysis consists of food and beverage companies listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange or IDX. The population comprises 132 consumer non-cyclicals companies listed on the IDX during the 2020 until 2024 period. Sample and sampling technique. These studies employs a purposive sampling technique. The sample consistent of food and beverage companies that the first are listed on the Indonesian Stock Exchange and publish complete annual report during 2020 until 2024. Based on this criteria, 32 companies were selected, resulting in 116 firm years observation. Data analysis technique. The studies employs data panel regression analysis. The most appropriate panel regression model is selected using first, common effect model atau CHEM, second, fixed effect model atau FEM, the last, random effect model atau RAM. The moderating effect of good corporate governance proxied by the audit committee is examined using moderated regression analysis atau MRA. The analysis is completed by classic classical assumption test, F-test, T-test, coefficient of determination atau R-square. Next, variable operationalization. Table 3.3 operational definition of variables. The first, firm value. The is proxy price to book value or PBV, marketplace per share, slice book for value per share. Digitalization disclosure. Proxy is a number of items disclosed, slice to number of disclosure items. The next, profitability, return on assets, proxy or ROA, net income, slice total assets. And then capital structure, debt to equity ratio or there, total debt, slice to equity. And the last, good corporate governance or GCG, committee audit or audit commit, measured by the number of audit committee meetings held annually. And the last, data analysis procedures. This research use the IFUS tool and the following step. The first, descriptive statistics analyze, and the second, panel data model selection, and then panel data regression analyze, and then moderated regression analyze or MRA, and the last, hypothesis testing. That's it all. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.